So this is Baruch Fleischman, this is the Tikkun Elevator Kolo, and this is the Sefer Tehillim, the book of the songs which we call Psalms, written by our king, King David. So I want to come over here we're going through a section called the Shir HaMalus here. They're very short, or relatively short, little bits, but they're so very important. Let's come over here and see the beginning of this. He has an introduction, that is, the Art School brings an introduction. So he says like this psalm describes the glory of Jerusalem of old. As a city, it was different from all others, and he goes on to describe in this first paragraph how it is that anonymity comes along with being in a city, because there were so many people coming. As a result of that, the person really loses to a great extent his identity. Who cares? But this was not the case in Jerusalem, and I'm reading now. He says, there every Jew experienced a personal encounter with God. There was a personal manifestation, in my understanding, of the godliness within, which is within everything and manifests profoundly in the Jews. This encounter was a dramatic revelation which demonstrated to each and every man the special divine nature of his soul. The crowds of pilgrims which converged upon the city enhanced this realization of individuality and did not detract from it at all. You might think, because again the anonymity kind of thing is exactly the opposite, because the God within began to come out, but each person individually. For just as there are no two faces that are alike, no two minds are alike either. It's a Gemara in Brachos. Every individual pilgrim who arrived in the city gave further evidence to the diversity and uniqueness of God's creatures. Thus, the proliferation of the masses heightened the individual's self-esteem and lifted his spirits. So more and more and more revelation, there is an individual revelation, there is a group revelation, and as a result, this fostered brotherhood and unity in Jerusalem, which came to be known as the city of peace, the city that is united. And now more than ever, we need to be united around our Torah. So let's see what it says over here. Now we'll read it just in English. We are dealing with what are called the Songs of Ascents by David. So this is the Song of Ascent, and he writes in here, Shir HaMalus David. So it's the Shir of ascending, like the steps in the Beis Hamikdash, going upwards, constantly more and more revelation as we came to that place. I rejoiced when they said to me, let us go up to the house of Hashem. Immobile stood our feet, and the commentary here says it meant that there were so many people that very difficult to move around, but the love there was so tremendous, I guess. So the built up Jerusalem is like a city that is united together. He says, thrones for the house of David. What's a throne? Let me see. Throne. The throne is a place that is receptacle for the light that comes from the house of David, the light of Hashem. Pray for the peace of Jerusalem. Those who love you will be serene. May there be peace within your wall, serenity within your palaces. For the sake of my brethren and companions, I shall speak of peace in your midst. For the sake of the house of Hashem, our God, I will request your good. That was Psalm 122. This is Baruch Fleischman. This is the Tikkun Elevator Kol.